How to use relational operators. Relational operators are used to establish some sort of relationship between two operands. It is commonly used across many different programming languages, uh, and it is almost the same in most languages. So in Python, we have less than, greater than, or equal to operators, and the other two are less than equal to or greater than equal to. We can try out these operators using our shell over here. So the output of these operators are usually either true or false. So they are usually used in Boolean expressions. So let's check out a few expressions. First is if we have written 5 less than 8. So if we are checking if 5 is less than 8, and when we press when we press enter, we will get the output true, which means yes, 5 is less than 8. Similarly, we will do 5 greater than 8, and we know that this is not possible because 5 is less than 8, and here when we click enter, it obviously gave us false. Now let's change the value to 9 greater than 8, and in this case it is true, 9 is greater than 8. Next we'll check the equal to operator. So we'll say 7 equal to 8. So this is false because 7 is less than 8. Next is 8 equal to 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 also 5 plus 3 also evaluates to 8. So we are seeing if the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and in this case, yes, it is true. Next we'll see if 8 is not equal to 9. So when we write exclamation mark and then the equal to sign, it means not equal to, the opposite to equal to. It's true because 8 is not equal to 9. The next is 8 not equal to 5 plus 3, which is false because 5 plus 3 is 8. So we did the opposite of the expression about the previous one, which is 8 equal to 5 plus 3. Next we'll see this less than equal to and greater than equal to operators. So we see 7 is less than equal to 9. It is true because 7 is less than 9, and 9 is greater than 0, which is true. Let's change the 0 to a 10, and it will change to false because 9 is less than 10. Now let's work with strings. So first we'll see str, the string str. We are checking if it is equal to the string AAA. Now when we use these relational operators with strings, it checks for the Unicode values. So the Unicode value of str, we are checking here if the Unicode value of str is equal to the Unicode value of AAA, and we get false. We're checking if now it is less than AA. It is false. String str is less than AA. Str is, now we check if str is greater than AA. It is true. So the Unicode value of str is greater than AAA. Now to check is equal to again, we'll try two strings of the same value. So ABC equal to ABC, and it says true. Now we see if str is not equal to AAA, it is true because we just checked whether they are equal to A, and it said false in the first expression. So the opposite of it will obviously be true. Now we see if the alphabet A is less than ABC. It is true because the Unicode value of only A will obviously be less than the Unicode value of A, B, and C. Now next we'll check if the string alphabet is greater than ABC. Even in this case it will be true because the Unicode value of all these together will be more than the Unicode value of ABC together.